I'm Mary Jo Tinlin, and I'm here to talk to you about the incentive that I have for you if you will help me. And it helps benefit you as well because it helps you use more essential oils and learn more about the oils. So I have a great incentive for you if you can help me. I really need to connect with people who are interested in a healthy lifestyle, who are interested in detoxing their life, reducing the toxic load on themselves and their families, learning how to use natural products for cleaning and for body care and for cooking and all kinds of things like that. But I need to make those connections. And by helping utilize people that you know, that will help me. And so it helps both of us because it helps your friends and family get healthier and learn more about amazing natural solutions. But it also helps with me to be able to teach more people about these amazing solutions that were literally life saving for me. So again, I'm Mary Jo Tinlin, and you may or may not know me, but I do have a background where I had a health scare and I had to change everything about my life. And part of that was basically incorporating all kinds of wellness products into my life that have no toxic chemicals or artificial ingredients. And so I am a huge believer in essential oils specifically because I do believe that they are natural. They're from the earth or from God or whatever you want to say. I believe they're from God. I believe God gave us everything we need here on earth. And He gave us the gift of these essential oils as part of that. So that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. I just wanted to give you a few minutes and show you the two different kinds of diffusers that I will send you, or I'll give you if we see each other in person, if you can help me connect with friends, either by helping host an event, and you can do it either at your house or we can do it at an offsite location, whatever works for you. Or to, if you are out of town, you're not in Colorado, we can, if you can help connect me on the phone or on Skype or something like that with three of your friends, I will help you. I will send you a diffuser. And I have two choices. So I was going to show you both of them. So the first one is a great one. It's very large. It's for like a big room. It's for like a sorry, there we go. It's for like a big room or a main room or maybe your master bedroom if it's kind of large. I actually use this in our bedroom. Our bedroom's not large, but I use it in our bedroom. It's got a huge capacity. It's a great one. It's got all kinds of settings on it, and the colors are going through the cycle, kind of like this one back here. They go through the color cycle. You can select whatever color you want, or you can have it rotate, or you can have no color, you can have no light if you want, and that's what I do when we're running it at night. It has a setting for 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and then on. And what you can do is it comes with a remote. Sorry, a remote that has all kinds of settings on it, but the one that I really like is the intermittent setting. And basically that means it runs all night. In fact, I'll put it on at night and it's still running when we get up in the morning. And we don't, don't sleep that long, but you can turn the light on or off. You can have the mist be large or small. Again, you can do continuous, you can do the timing with this remote. So this is a great model. It's not a doTERRA product, but I love this particular diffuser again because it's so large and it does have all these fantastic settings. So and then it also comes with a cup for the water, so then you don't have to take it over to the sink or whatever. It comes with this cup to be able to fill it. So that is my first one that I will offer you if, again, you can help me either schedule an event of some sort with your friends, and we can do anything you want. We can do classes where we make stuff. We can do where I just talk about stuff and do teaching. We can do kid stuff. We can do uh, women. We can do a spa night. We can do sleep or skin or um, travel. If people are getting ready to go somewhere, we can do a college kid one. If you've got friends that have college students or even college students themselves, I'll teach them how to use essential oils instead of having to, run out in the middle of the night and get the whatever kind of over the counter that they might be tempted to take. I'll help them get the get the oils going that can help with some relief in some of those conditions that might occur for them. So college kids, we can do baby shower if there's new moms that you have. We can do back to school and all kinds of stuff, immune boosting for flu season, or sorry, for the challenging immune seasons. Can't say flu. Anyway, so there's that. And then the second one is um, I'm going to turn this off just 1 second. Sorry. And then the second one is the Brevi diffuser, which this one is so great. And it's actually on sale this month. It's the walnut color. So it's not the white one. It's brown. It's a walnut color and it's beautiful. And it comes with harvest spice. And this is August of 2019 that I'm talking about. So if you're watching it during August of 2019, this is on special. It's limit of 4. And again, it's the brown version, but this is the white version that they had last year for Mother's Day, and I have a couple of these left. I would love to give them to you. I love mine. It's not as big. It's a smaller size, but it also has settings for 2, 5, and 10, where 10 hours, where it goes off and on every 5 minutes all night long. It has a light, or it doesn't have. You can have it off or on. The light comes in a great little box like this. Let me show you there, like that. The Brevi. And so, yeah, I would love to give you these diffusers if you can help me. So help make me a connection for me. Again, 3 people on the phone, and I don't want them to just be like, "What's this?" I want them to be really interested. And so please don't send me people's names that are like, whatever. These are just people I found on my phone. Let's talk about why they actually would want some essential oils. What would help them? What's their main health concerns? What are the things that they are most interested in? And I will absolutely help tailor our conversation that way. Also, I'm not all about selling. I'm all about teaching and learn and having people learn about these amazing oils that we have. They're so pure, and they're so sustainable, and I just love both of those things about the oils. They're trackable. Every single oil bottle has a number on the bottom that you can go to a source2you.com and learn about all the oil, exactly what happened during the third party testing that they did to prove the purity. So I hope you'll figure that out. I hope you will take part in that, and please, again, just help me make connections, and you'll benefit, and your friends will benefit, and I will benefit a little bit as well by opening up my network even more for people that want natural solutions and want to improve their life. So I hope that's something that you're interested in. Please send me a note. It's Marijo, Marijo, at bellaessentialoils.com, and let's get started if you're interested anytime. So I hope this is interesting and fun, and I hope this is a great incentive for you, because I think it's an amazing product. I love diffusers. We have them all over our house. We run them all the time, all kinds of different scents, and I'd love to talk to you about a little bit more about those too. So let's get together and get your friends together and learn more about essential oils. Thank you so much.